Hey beautiful, hello everybody. I welcome you all to the Silk Zone. This is Divya here. I'm going to show you the pure cotton linen sarees. We have more than 500 designs, patterns and the more combinations. So from now I'll be just showing you the collections of the pure cotton linen sarees one by one with the different patterns and different pure handprints on the sarees. Now I will explain you the procedure of purchasing our products, that is our collections. Just go to the subscription box that is below the video. You will have the website, our website, that is www.silkzone.in. Just log into website. There you will get the checkout options and you will get the how to purchase and you will get the payments method over there. We have accepted the international payments through the PayPal, and if any damage is found in our products, please do return our products within the week, and we will deliver you the products within the possible days as soon as possible. Hey beautifuls, this is the other pretty collection in the same fabric, that is, as I said you, the pure cotton linen saree which are made for summer, very cool, skin friendly. In the color combination of the saree is white, pink and sky blue color. The print on the saree is very beautiful, that is, the print is multicolored floral print, and the pallu is giving a very beautiful look, that is a dark pink in the pallu with the zari borders. And on the entire saree you have the floral prints, that is multicolored flower prints, that is yellow and red green combination, and you have the silver zari borders on both the corners of the sarees. And the blouse, we have the contrast blouse, that is pink color, which will match with the border. And the cost of this beautiful pretty saree is just 999. These are the very beautiful collections of cotton linen saree, that is in a Rama green color, or you can just tell it as a sky blue. And the print on this saree is very beautiful and unique and elegant. It's a very beautiful print, pure hand prints, that is Madhubana prints, and with the village scenes, I can tell you, the cow and the girl carrying a pot and all the trees, the greeneries and the cow in the bullock carts. You can just have a look at the saree, which gives a very beautiful elegant look. It gives a classic look. And the color combination is also so good, which gives a beautiful, and it is very attracted. And we have the silver zari borders on both the corners of the sarees, and this is the pallu. In pallu also we have the silver zari borders, and this is the body of the saree where you gonna drape it. This is also very beautiful. Now I'll show you the blouse of the saree. This is the blouse, which is the plain sky blue or Rama green color, we can tell, which is the contrast color for the saree. And even in blouse we have the silver zari borders on both the corners. And the cost of this beautiful, simple, attractive saree is very much affordable, that is just 999. These are the very beautiful pretty combination of the pure cotton linen sarees. Now I will show you the most beautiful prints that we have in our collection. That is the complete what print I am telling is the complete village scenery pics. You can have the look, that is I am showing you is the cows and the girl carrying the pot and complete village scenery, the tree and what all the daily routines we see in the villages. We have all that complete prints on the entire saree. And the pallu also, you have silver zaris with the cows and the bullock cart on it. And the saree is very simple, elegant, which gives you the classy, beautiful look on it. The color combination of the saree is white and sky blue color, and the saree has the silver zari borders on both the corners of the sarees. And I have made the fleets to show you how beautiful it gives you the look. You can just have a deep look at it. It's giving you a very classy look for it. And the blouse also, we have the same running blouse for it, that is a dark sky blue color blouse we have on the blouse. On blouse also we have the zari border on both the corner, and the cost of the saree is just 999, which is easily affordable. I will show you the all entire, we have almost 500 different pattern saree. One by one I am going to show you the different prints and different qualities, and not different qualities, the quality remains the same, that is pure cotton linen saree. I will show you different colored combination saree and different prints on the saree. And now this saree combination is yellow and red with the silver zari borders on both the borders of the saree, that is both the corners of the saree. The combination of this saree is very simple and beautiful, no? And the print on it is a multicolored flower prints, the pure hand prints, and this is the pallu I am going to show you. The pallu has a very unique print on it. These are the pure hand prints. Pallu has the colored combination of yellow and red and white. An entire sari you have the prints of flowers and the small birds sitting on the branch, and I have made the fleets to show you people that how it looks more good once you wear it, isn't it? And now the blouse comes with the contrast for the border, that is red blouse, that is a plain red blouse with a silver. These are the very beautiful pretty collections of the cotton linen saree. I'm displaying the very beautiful different prints on the finishing of the saree, is so beautiful. I'm going to show you one by one the different prints of the saree. This print is of multicolor floral prints on the entire saree. You can just have a look at it with the combination of black, sky blue, white, yellow, pink and orange, red, you can tell. And I have made the fleets to show you that how beautiful look it gives once you make a fleet. And we have the silver zari border on the both the corners of the saree, which is very beautiful, which gives a very elegant look. And the blouse of this saree is very contrast, that is the sky blue color. Even on the blouse we have the silver zari borders, which can give the design for the shoulder. And the cost of this beautiful saree is just 999. Very beautiful saree. The collections are in pure cotton linen sarees. The prints, we have so many prints, I can tell we have more than 500 prints, unique design, different colors, more than 500 different collections we have. And now this is the pure cotton linen saree with the silver zari borders on both the borders of the saree. You have beautiful print on the entire saree. This is the pallu I am going to show you now. On the pallu also you have the silver zari borders, and you have floral, multicolored floral print on the pallu of the saree, and you have very beautiful design frinkages on it. And I will show you the fleets, how it makes. The fleets are very beautiful. I've made the fleet so that it will give you a very different look, to show that it is very good, skin friendly, made for summer, I can tell you. And the blouse I'm wearing, it gives a very different look. The blouse is white color with the flowers on the blouse, that is maroon color, the combination with that. We have all the colors in this saree, I can tell you. You can just have a look at it. We have almost all the colors on the sarees. The cost of the saree is just 999. These are beautiful sarees and very comfortable to wear in summer. Those are pure cotton linen sarees with a different print, that is Madhubani prints on the entire saree. The color combination of the saree is in multicolors, with the major color is in the red color, red and white. I have shown you the fleets so that how it gets the look, very beautiful and elegant, classy look you get. And we have the silver zari borders on entire saree, both the borders upside and down. And the pallu also you have silver zari borders, and pallu you have a great multicolor print of the Madhubani prints. And now I will tell you about the blouse, that is a plain dark blouse with the saree. Even blouse you have the silver zari borders. It is very beautiful and pretty. It gives you a very classy look for you. And the cost of the saree is very affordable, that is just 999. Very beautiful saree that I am going to show you now is the fabric of the saree remains the same, that is the pure cotton linen sarees, but the print on the saree is very different, unique, and which gives you the more elegant and classic way, that is Madhubani prints on the entire saree. I am showing it to you on the all over the saree, that is in the bottom of the saree, in the bottom border, that is I have made the fleets to show you how it gives the looks. It is looking very beautiful and gorgeous, pretty. Entire saree is in the sky blue color with a multicolored Madhubani prints, very beautiful and very elegant. And both the corners of the saree you have the silver zari borders. And this is the blouse, which is the little dark color compared to the body of the saree, that is little dark blue color. Very beautiful and simple. It is, I'm just loving the product. And the cost of the saree is just 999. Very beautiful cotton linen saree in the very different prints on it. We have a pure hand prints on the entire saree. The finishing of the saree gives you a very beautiful look, and in summer people usually complains about the saree and skin allergies, that and all. And we will give you the assurance of this very skin friendly, no other mixture of the products. This is a pure cotton linen, very soft and cool, made for summer collections, we can tell. The prints on the sarees are very beautiful. As I am showing it to you, I am showing you the fleet so that you can just see how the look of the fleece it comes. On the print on the saree is the swan, the lotus in the multicolors, you can just see. And on the saree you have both the side the silver zaris on it. And this is the blouse, I'm showing it to you, which gives the contrast look, that is in the red color. Which blouse also have the silver zaris on the both the corners of the blouse, and the cost of the saree is just 999. The fabric of this product is pure cotton linen sarees, which are meant for summer, I can tell you. Very beautiful. On the entire saree you have the pure handprints of the flower, that is multi-flower, that is it is a lotus, I can tell you. And I have made the pleats to show that how beautiful it looks once you drape the saree. And this is the pallu of it. On pallu also you have beautiful pure handprints on it with a combination of white, green, pink, yellow, red and all. And on the both the borders of the sarees, that is front and bottom, you have the silver zari borders. And this is the blouse, which gives you the contrast look for the saree, that is the parrot green color with the white combination saree. Very beautiful, simple and elegant. The cost of the saree is just 999. Very beautiful, pretty colored combination. Very super cool, meant for summer collection, I can tell you. I'm feeling so good touching the fabric. It's very good. I have shown you the pleats, how it is gonna come. On this complete saree you have the print of the complete village scenery. I can tell you, you can just make out how beautifully the prints are made with the silver zaris all over the saree. It gives you very unique and elegant look once you drape the saree. This is very beautiful. You can just feel the fabric, so good, simple and elegant. You can just drape the saree just in 5 to 7 minutes. Very skin friendly. Pure cotton linen saree, I can tell you. And the blouse of the saree is in dark pink color, which is gonna give you the contrast or multi contrast design for the saree. And the cost of the saree is just 999 rupees. So good, very good. A very pretty collection of the linen cotton saree with the silver zari borders on both the sides of the corner. Color combination of this is dark navy blue, white color and sky blue. We have a shibori print on entire saree, that is very beautiful. You can just slay the saree very beautifully in just 2 to 3 minutes. It is so good, very skin friendly. And this is the blouse for it, which is a running blouse, very pretty and good. And the cost of the saree is just 999, which is very much affordable. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do share, like and subscribe, and press the notification bell icon so that you will get all the latest updates of our collection. If any damage is found, please do return us within a week. We are accepted all the international payments, and we have worldwide shipment. Thank you.